I'm Katherine Miller, and I've been a divorce attorney for over 30 years. And in those 30 years, I've worked with so many women who've needed some guidance and some help to think through the negotiation of their divorce for the best result. And so I put together this video with some tips to help you think through what's right for you. So the first tip is, don't take it personally. Now I know, of course, divorce is personal and it's painful and it's scary. And there are a lot of personal things that you're talking about. What I mean is that this divorce does not define you. Now, your marriage didn't define you either, although at times it might have been hard to distinguish who you were authentically from being a wife and a mom. I know that's been hard for me at times. But the divorce does not define you, regardless of any shame or embarrassment or concern you might have about how it looks to other people. The next tip is, don't expect for him to admit that he's a bad guy. That's just not going to happen. When I went through my own divorce, I was really hoping for that, but it didn't happen. And frankly, it didn't really matter. That's separate and different, not part of the divorce negotiation. You need to focus on the facts and the figures, the parenting, and not an apology for what's happened in the past. And the last thing that I want you to know is, while negotiating a co-parenting plan with the father of your children, think about it as starting a business, the business of raising your children. He'll do what he does well, you'll do what you do well, and you will have the opportunity to raise happy, healthy, successful children with a minimum of conflict between you. You may be really worried that your husband is a better negotiator and he knows how to negotiate. Maybe he does work all the time. If that's the case, we've put together a lot of resources to help you think it through and plan your best strategy. But if you know you need help right now, just pick up the phone and give me a call. I'd be happy to chat.